shine when the light grows dim. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. We got the right stuff, we put the hammer right down. Wanna be like us, you better stick around. If you want it, you gotta prove it. Like we do it, like we do it.
When I'm working in front of the workbench, my thoughts start to slowly drift away. The carefree days of my childhood come into my mind. Inspiration flies from memories to reality, along with the paper airplane in my hand. Starting from the concept of structural principles and geometric figures, we refer to the Eastern origami craft and the aesthetic language of Western cubism in consideration to enhance the overall visual perception of the design through the combination of layering and geometric depth. From design, materials to techniques, we constantly refine and upgrade. The result is this modern, minimalist office desktop set. We have achieved a balance between function and form. The softness of paper and the hardness of sheet metal are stylistically blended. Both the line and surface realize a harmonious fineness. This office desktop set is both multifunctional and decorative. Not only does it satisfy the daily office needs, but it also adds a stylish atmosphere to the home space with the elegant design.
Oceanus Brass has developed a timeless storage instrument with an old salts twist. Tied to the art and science of sailing and exploration, the Oceanus Brass Enigma Coffer captures the fearless spirit of the ocean for your modern lifestyle. Inspired by the stories of locking clockwork mechanisms of steamer trunks of yesteryear, the Enigma captures the spirit of ocean travel. Precision machined from a block of solid brass, the coffer stores perishables, dry goods, or any message you want lost to time. An elegantly cut closure mechanism maintains items secure without need for a key, a code, or a latch. Recessed rare earth neodymium magnets enable functionality. You have access while others don't. Keep it locked or flip and snap into place for unrestricted opens. With a significant mass, few modern items are of this caliber. Whether you're a sailor storing dry goods, an adventurer carrying a cache of precious stones, or someone who simply appreciates quality, the Enigma Coffer brings seaworthy functionality to all your daily adventures. The overwhelming success of our previous releases inspired us to push our boundaries and try something new. But we need your help. Please pledge support to bring the Enigma Coffer to life.
Hi, I'm a woman in a cleaning advert, which means I'm incredibly clumsy, especially around red wine, pasta sauce, and white sheets. Whoops! But today, we're doing things differently. Meet Spruce. Refillable cleaning products that clean more than just your home. They clean the planet too. Here's how Spruce is different. You buy the bottle once and get concentrated refills delivered. Like all cleaning products, Spruce is 95% water. Unlike other cleaning products, Spruce doesn't make you pay for that water. Take the Eternity bottle, pour in the refill pack, and then fill the bottle up with water from your tap. That's right, just add water. Now you're ready to spruce. With Spruce's stripped back range, you don't need 101 different single-use plastic cleaning products. Kitchen cleaner, bath cleaner, more bath cleaner, shower cleaner, toilet cleaner, bedroom cleaner, spare bedroom cleaner, cleaning product cleaner, all that plastic. And we all know where that's going. With Spruce, you don't need all this plastic. Just your eternity bottle and these refills. And with all those bottles gone, you can free up a cupboard. Or, if you live in London, you can sublet it.
Hey, how about a little privacy?
Right now, your cleaning products are polluting your home with toxins and polluting the planet with single-use plastic. With Spruce, you reduce toxins, plastic, and your carbon footprint. This isn't just next generation cleaning. This is cleaning things up for the next generation. And all this talk isn't just your usual corporate greenwashing. No, this is the real deal. We're on a mission to clean up cleaning. Spruce is toxin-free. We only use safe ingredients and all natural essential oils. Our product smells so good, you'll find yourself spilling things on purpose. Any excuse to spruce. Keep your home clean and your conscience cleaner.